In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use actual budget with credit cards for better finance. Now, we have a couple of ways to do it, but before that, you're going to be making sure that where does your money go. So these are some of the notes that I gathered together for your information. Then you're going to be building a realistic budget, and once you do, you have a few subheadings in this one, like for example, start with fixed costs, average your variable costs, and plan for irregular costs. Finally, we gotta pay yourself first, and you're gonna be budgeting with the credit card, the right way. You can assign your spending categories, monitor in real time. You can see you can have your alerts set up, and you can time your payments. Eventually, we come across to getting strategic when things get tight, and these are basically pretty much of the steps that you need to follow in order to use your actual budget with credit card for better finance. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.